you can hear us, this is your engine. Here's young Steve testing. And here's the test paperwork. And those are the times that for testing purposes. And we're walking around checking to see everything. Carburetors are absolutely magnificent, no drips coming from anywhere, up inside here or underneath here. Especially considering they're on top of the exhaust header. They're just hotter than hell right there. See, we got good oil pressure. Our temperature is steady, and he's doing the checking the RPM, and the test procedure goes up in increments depending on the time and the RPM required. And you can see we got nice sealing over here, no leaking. Just a beautiful thing. Are we in gear? No. Just took a little bit of extra effort. Transmission is a thing of beauty. Very nice. We are very pleased with your engine, and I think you will be too. Got the tachometer drive down there. See the water pump? So this is it for about an hour and a half. Just watching the engine, monitoring it, checking all the parameters. So we're happy. Yeah. I could let it run, the video run for another hour, but there's only so much fun you can have watching an engine run, right? So anyway, Brad, we're getting your engine tested, and the next thing we're going to do is yank it off the stand and install it in the car. Hopefully in the next, I don't know, we can get it in the stand and in the car the next day or week or two probably. Yeah, next week or so. Absolutely. Yeah.